Envision now that financial behemoths like BlackRock and Vanguard are giving serious consideration to use XRP for their cross-border operations. Things will improve, I promise. BlackRock is supposedly launching an XRP-focused exchange-traded fund. Larry Fank, though, accomplished much more. He too is gazing at the expansive plot of land. There is a $30 trillion market cap. What do you think will happen to it after this? You read it correctly. The XRP system is prepared to tokenize anything. Additionally, Ripplet and the XRP system will be receiving a massive $120 quadrillion from the International Swaps and Traders Association. That's ridiculous. The price is much higher than $10,000 per XRP. The price of one XRP coin has the potential to skyrocket. That can cost as much as $60,000. That is just amazing. Now we can go to the following section. Another shocking revelation was made by Larry Fink of BlackRock. Not only is he not babbling, Ripple and its cryptocurrency XRP are poised to experience some truly monumental events. Tokenizing everything is in the works, and we have a clip in the next chapter of the film that audiences are dying to watch. BlackRock's Larry Fink has confirmed the company's plans to launch an XRP exchange-traded fund. View this video now. There's no need to delay. One step toward formalization and security is the addition of a Bitcoin ETF. I was wondering whether you had any additional exchange-traded funds. Has anyone thought about an XRP exchange-traded fund? Oh, I see that you have Ether. But where is XRP? I would greatly appreciate it if you could explain to me why that is not possible for me. To be honest, I'm not sure I can. I'm the target of their mockery. Unusual happenings centered around XRP have been plaguing the cryptocurrency market recently. Consider this domain, crypto.com. The value of XRP skyrocketed to an astounding 43,000 cents when it was released to the global market. There will be more of this in the future. That the price of XRP has been unexpectedly rising. Do you recall our conversation last week on the $7,000 XRP problem at one of the main exchanges? It appears that these unexpected price spikes for XRP occur frequently on various markets. Now it's crypto.com. Quote turn. Now let's shift our focus to something else. We will discuss the renowned former SEC chief Gary Gensler, who succeeded Jay Clinton, based on a great deal of equally intriguing research that is unrelated to BlackRock and the XRP market increase generally. Gensler has consistently categorized XRP as a security, which is probably news to most of you. Now things start to get exciting. The son of Gary Gensler is Robert M. Gensler, his sibling who is completely. They appear to be quite similar and are about the same age. Robert holds a prominent position as Troll Price's vice president. A closer inspection reveals that Troll Price is a major investment firm that has substantial holdings in XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. This situation involves SEC head Gary Gensler and his twin brother, who both work for investment firms with substantial holdings in XRP and other cryptocurrencies. Nonetheless, Gensler continues to refer to XRP as a secure tool. What a fascinating difference. It got me thinking about the intricate legal and investment landscape of cryptocurrencies. A captivating option might. When it comes to XRP, no one knows more than Robert Gensler, VP of Troll Price. They are the experts when it comes to Ethereum and Bitcoin. This concept seems more reasonable when one considers the amount of money the corporation has put into these three cryptocurrencies. If the SEC is to be believed, Their market manipulation and insider trading have been the primary targets of these investigations, which have frequently shown the SEC's wrongdoing. There appears to be a pattern developing. SEC officials are informing their friends and family about digital assets that may soon no longer be classified as stocks, and then those family members proceed to invest in those assets early. The asset's value skyrockets once it is publicly designated a non-secure, allowing these loved ones to profit handsomely from their low-priced purchases. Considering this, it's plausible that Gary Gensler,
Robert N.
Gensler's brother, informed him of the ways in which the SEC could lose a case involving XRP. Members of Congress may feel obligated to intelligent investors should jump on this XRP buying opportunity while they can. It's interesting to observe how the troll price is driving more capital into XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency world is abuzz with rumors of XRP potentially hitting $10,000. Or even higher, and analysts who have maintained an optimistic stance on the coin have even predicted that it's possible. The value of XRP, according to Jack the Ripplet, will surge, perhaps exceeding $5,890. Bordy nos mates y was referenced serious inhalation while explosions. People are curious and eager to speculate about XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency market, as this daring prediction demonstrates. I believe an XRP ETF will be the first major move, since Wall Street is eager to get in on the XRP action because to its high profitability to play. But let's go beyond the surface level analysis of this shift. A former Ripple executive has taken notice of JP Morgan's large investment in orging to an expert who spoke with Crypto Basic. We should definitely have a conversation about this because it made me raise an eyebrow. The plot is as follows. Previously, Ben Armstrong was employed by the The claims that JP Morgan invested in XRP prompted some contentious remarks from Boy Crypto Brand. As a countermeasure, a prominent crypto personality and ex-Ripple director published a string of posts claiming that JP Morgan had purchased 7.5 million XRP tokens. Now, according to Armstrong, this transaction is valued at approximately 7.5% of JP Morgan's total wealth. Hold for a second, I don't understand this math. 444 million XRP is far from 7% of JP Morgan's wealth. Considering JP Morgan's net worth of $3 trillion, 890,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,